The zoo trip. A lady had a baby and a child named Leo.
Bogies.
Leo was 5 years old.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The lady, the baby, and Leo went to the zoo. Leo was happy. I want to see the lion and emu, he said. The baby did not speak because she was lazy and only 1 year old. We will have lots of fun today, said the lady.
Whoa!
Can I drink a soda and eat a cold ice cream? Asked Leo. Are you crazy? Said the mom. It's April. It's too cold for ice cream. So the lady gave Leo an apricot and a soda. Leo liked to be equal, so he shared his apricot with the baby. That was kind of you, Leo, said the lady. I will buy you a yo-yo because you were kind.
Yay!
Okay, thank you. Let's go see the lion and the emu. So the lady and the baby and Leo took some pictures and put them on the computer at the hotel.